Our wonderful dish has been out of the oven for a little bit of time now because I can actually touch the plate. And this dish, as you can see how absolutely gorgeous it is, can be served buffet style, family style, or we can plate it up. What does that mean, to plate it up? That means to actually put a portion on a plate and present it to each individual person, which is a lovely way to do it, and I think that's the way we're going to do it today. So I've got a spatula here that will greatly assist us, and what you're going to do, because this fish now is very tender and moist, is you're going to lightly pick up one of the whole fillets. Remember how we laid it across, and we're going to place it gently into the dish. We're going to take some of the potatoes and the onions that are along the side of the fish itself, and notice how those gorgeous raisins have baked right into the fish dish also. In the village, this is exactly the way they would eat it. They would take a nice piece of feta cheese, that great feta we talked about, break off a delicious piece of bread. Rah. Put a little bit of parsley on that plate, and you have an absolutely delicious meal for yourself, your loved ones, and your friends.